Hey fam, this is the first of my series in Do What Daddy Does videos. So here I'm going to describe how we inflate the car tires to the proper tire pressure. So basically every couple of months, or especially when the weather becomes cooler, the tire pressure in the tires will fall below what's recommended. And usually you want to keep the tires inflated so that you get better economy and better fuel efficiency. Also, the tires will actually last longer. Severely underinflated tires can actually burst and fail and actually cause an accident on the road. Anyway, so here we're looking at the Mazda. So usually the tire pressure that's required is specified just inside the driver's side door. So if you look by the seat, you'll see this label here, and it will tell you the tire pressures for the front and rear. So just look at the tire pressure that's specified in PSI. So for the Mazda, both the front and the rear are supposed to be inflated to 36 PSI. So just keep that number in mind. Once you have that, we can go and look at our tire inflator, which is right here. This one actually automatically shuts off when the correct tire pressure is reached, so that's very convenient. You'll need a extension cord, so just plug it in here, and then go over to front tire. Turn this thing on, and then here you'll see that the PSI, there's a target PSI number, which is actually the smaller number down there. And so basically press the up button till we reach the target of 36. So generally what you want to do is you want to just set it one above the target, and you'll see in a moment why. So we saw that the label said 36, so I'm going to set it to 37. Once you've done that, go and remove the cap, and then so this is the nozzle, and basically you press it in, you see, get a bit of air come out, and then you clamp it this way. And now when you look at the inflator, you should see a number. The larger number shows you the current tire pressure inside the tire. Once you've done that, you just have to press the okay, it stopped at 37, and now you can go ahead and remove this. So when you remove this, try and do it a little quickly, because when you unclasp this, a little air will escape. And so now you see why we went a little above the target PSI. So with the little air escaping, we should be pretty close to 36. Put the screw back, and then that's it. If you don't switch off the pump, it should still show the same tire pressure of 37, the target of 37. If the rear tire has a different pressure, you would change the setting, but in the case of the Mazda, all four tires have the same target. And that's it. Take it over to the next tire. You'll basically do the same thing. Alright fam, that's all I have. This is your dad signing off.